This is the mwnabili picnic spot, and this place is located under the Chirang district and near the Indo-Bhutan border. You can see so many people are coming to enjoy in this mwnabili picnic spot. Wow. And this place is surrounded by the river, and this river is coming from the Bhutan. You can see so many stones in this place. And you can see there are so many people are enjoying in this sandy place, and you will get different types of stone in this river. And I will show something about this place. This place is very beautiful. Wow. You can see the beautiful scenery beside this river. The water is very crystal, and this river is coming from the Bhutan, and this place is located under the Chirang and near the Indo-Bhutan border. You can see the beautiful sceneries beside this river, and so many Boro people are coming to enjoy in this place. The name of this place is mwnabili picnic spot. Wow, what a lovely place. The water is very clear. You can see the beautiful scenery beside this river, and the water is coming from the Bhutan. Wow, what a lovely! And you can see the beautiful mountain. This mountain is located in the Indo-Bhutan border. Wow, what a lovely place! Wow. This is the Happy New Year. Wow, that's why so many people are coming to here for dancing and drinking to watching this place, because this place is very wonderful. Wow. This is the water. The water is very clear. Wow, what a lovely river. You can see here sandy place, and also you will get so many different types of stone in this place. This river is flowing very clearly inside this river. Wow, what a lovely! I hope you will enjoy this video. Finally, we are here in this place is located under the Chirang. The name of this place is mwnabili picnic spot. Wow, what a lovely! So many people are dancing in this place. Wow, what a lovely! This is the incredible moment for the Happy New Year. So guys, I hope you will watch this video. Wow. This river is very beautiful, and this river is coming from the Bhutan, and the level of water is very clear. And you can see so many people are coming to enjoy in this place for the New Year. Wow, what a lovely place. This place is located under the Chirang district and near the Indo-Bhutan border. This is a bamboo cruise. You can see some people are taking photos beside this river. What a lovely place. You can see here so many Bodoland people are coming to enjoy in this mwnabili picnic spot. Wow, what a lovely place. This river is very beautiful, and this river is coming from the Bhutan, and you can see there are lots of people enjoying in this place. This is the bamboo bridge. The water is very crystal, and this water is flowing over here in Assam, India, Bodoland, and this river is coming from the Bhutan. Wow, what a lovely place. This is the mountain. The mountain is very beautiful. This mountain is located in the border of India and Bhutan. This place is very beautiful. You can see here so many people are coming to enjoy in this place. And this river is coming from the Bhutan, and this place is located under Chirang district near the India-Bhutan border. Wow, what a lovely place.